Hi, this is Janet from Try It, Like It, Create It, and today I want to share with you some mail that I just got. I had purchased 2 sets of unbranded dies from, I believe it was eBay. I'll put the link down below in the discussion area so that you can find this. I don't know enough about die companies to know if these were stolen designs or not, so take that into consideration when you're going to purchase dies. And I am not excusing myself at all for buying unbranded dies and whether or not the designs are stolen, so I will leave that up to you to decide how you want to handle that, but I'm just sharing with you what I purchased and what I received. So this is the first one, and it looks like there's 2 parts in here, maybe 3, that actually will cut out around this decoration. So I'm imagining this could work very well for an edge of a card. So that's the first one. I have a total of 10 dies, so in 2 sets it was 5 dies for each set. So this one is a crib, and it has a little mobile that hangs at the top. And then this one says thanks, and so maybe you can see that better if I turn it over. But that's a thanks. And then I got this pocket watch with chain. This one is a tassel or possibly hooks to a boot or something. I'm not sure. I think to use as a tassel I might cut that part off and then use the tassel in this part here. So that's an easy cut. Once I've used the die on paper, I can then just do a quick snip there and have a nice tassel. This one is a repeat pattern, but it looks to be kind of a butterfly shape. I don't know if you can see, if I cover that up, can you see that it's kind of a repeat pattern of a butterfly shape. This next one, it says, "What's up?" And it has this shape here, and then this, which I'm thinking is for an accordion fold. Maybe folding back and forth, and then I'm not sure. These could be for threading here. This is the one I wasn't completely sure about. I have another one I'm not completely sure, but I think it might make like a rosette, like if you cut a couple of them out, folded it, and then you would end up with a folded rosette of paper. That's kind of what I'm thinking, but if you know exactly what this is for, please do leave a comment down below so I know. And then this is a little one, but it looks to be a wave right here. That's what I'm guessing. I've got a bobber. Oh, no, maybe I'm sorry. This is a fishing pole that goes with the bobber, and then the hook, and then here's the fish. So I was thinking with these here that it was a wave, but actually now that I look at this, it's a fishing pole. So there's the reel. This is the handle, and then here's the string for fishing and catching the fish. Then I get this nice Christmas one with Santa tree, 2 deer. It's really nice. And then this last one, I think, although I'm not positive, it looks to be a scooter, because here's the wheels and here's the body of the scooter. I'm guessing these might be seats, and I'm not sure what this kind of dog-like looking shape would be other than a dog. So if you've seen this one and know what this is, I'd love to have you comment on that as well. I may have to cut it out and kind of try piecing it together to figure out what this one exactly is, but I'm guessing it is some kind of a scooter. So that's what I got for the 10 dies, and I bought 2 sets. And like I said, I don't remember the exact price, but I will link that down below and leave that for you in the comments.